First up, we're going to connect to the control box. So I'm going to select the control box from the Bluetooth menu. Now we're connected. I'm going to create a new game. So for this game, I'm going to name it Abandoned Keep Living System. And we click Create Game to create the game. So now we're going to create a map. So I click the Add button. I'm taking a photo, but you can always browse photos as the other option. Preferably taking a photo overhead. And now I'm going to name the map Abandoned Keep. Click Save. And now we're going to create a character. So I click on Add Character. We can also do the same. We can take a photo or we can browse photos. So I'm going to take a photo of this guy here. So preferably closer to the miniature as possible. I'm going to name him Bastian. We can choose class, which is Paladin, level 2, overall HP, and we can add notes and custom attributes like states if people are confused or whatever. So now we're into the map. We can see the overhead, so we're going to click on Add Trigger. So this lets us select a device. LEDs, drawbridges, rotating floors. We're going to click a port, so port 2. Now we have a list of icons we can choose from, and we can select the custom color we want for it on the map. I'm going to add trigger now, and you can see it on the map. We can also move it around to wherever we want to place it. So I place it over the light. So next we have notes. So I'm going to add a chest here. I'm going to set it to be 10 gold, and we're going to change the color to yellow. Click Save, and now you can see it on the screen. We're going to move it over the chest over in the corner there. And now we're in play mode. So we're actually going to add another trigger here, so I'm just going to go through the list. So looking at all the ports, we're going to go back here and we're going to add the rotating wall, I think. So I'm going to click on rotating wall, which is near the bottom there. Okay, so now we're going to click the port and we're going to select the icon that we need, and the color orange. Okay, so I've now placed it over the rotating wall, as you can see in the image, and now we can actually move it. So close or open, and then when we're finished it closes up. And yeah, so now I'm in notes mode. You can see when I click on the note icon, it shows the information that I'd given before. And now we're into the board. So the board is where we can add our characters. So the Bastian character we created earlier, we can now put him onto the map, and you can see him as I move him around. We're going to add an NPC now, and we're going to take a photo of this little guy here, and we're going to put him into the map as well. So I'm going to name him Guard, and I'm going to give him temporary HP of 20, I think. Click Save. And now he's on the board, so we can interact with him. As you can see, our hero, we can move his HP up and down in this section here, and we can show the NPC as well.